Hey guys, this is another video. This is how to drive um a monster truck on the second map, on like the biplane map. It's not too hard, I think, because it's kind of like the biplane, you know, kind of like being in the biplane. Watch, this is all you really do. You go here, select Sierra Vista, and then click on it. You go to monster truck 1 or 2. I like 2. And yeah, so that's all you do. That's too hard. And this is gonna be no song. But when you get in it, it's kind of fun. Circle is the handbrake, and then square is the brake. Ever. Does that much tricking over here instead on I'm gonna do over here. I gotta clear all the way over there. Now watch. You can go over 100 miles an hour. You won't really fall in the car. Really quadrant. And that's how you back off. Up here. It's not hard at all. It's very easy. Pretty much that, or just like there's plenty of anybody. You can't go in there. You go in there back and forth. You go in there with most stuff. And the video is over. And when the song is over. Hey guys, if you like this video, subscribe, comment. Please subscribe, please comment, please like. And